This video is a mixed exercise 14, and we want to solve the equation len x plus len x minus 3 is equal to 0. Right, so for the first step, we can immediately use one of the log laws, which allows us to basically write the sum of two logs as one log of the product of the terms. That's because when the base numbers of each log is the same, then essentially we can write this as one single log, but the terms that are basically inside each log are going to be multiplied. So we'll have x len of x times x minus 3. So the whole point of writing in this form is that then normally when we want to solve equations, when we have just one log is equal to a number, then we can easily solve that, right? Because we know that the base number of len is e, right? Because that's just the natural log. So we can use this property that when we have log base a of b, log base b of a is equal to c, then this is the same as b to the power of c is equal to a. So now we can use this property and apply that here because the base is e. So this becomes e to the power of 0 is equal to x times x minus 3. Now, e to the power of 0 is just equal to 1, and then here we have x squared minus 3x. So now we have a simple quadratic, and when we rearrange this, we'll get x squared minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now we just need to solve this quadratic, and which is very simple. So that's x squared, and we can use the quadratic formula in this case. So we have 3 plus or minus 9 plus 4 over 2, which means that we get 3 plus or minus root 13 over 2. However, we should be careful because when we have 3 minus root 13 over 2, then the value of x is going to be negative. But remember that when we look at the initial equation, if x is negative, then this is just going to be undefined because len is only defined for the values of x, which are basically non-zero and positive, right? So for positive values of x. So that means that x can't be negative. So we only accept the positive solution because x can't be negative. That's undefined. So that's very important.